Welcome back to the IGCSE grade 10 Edexcel class. Yesterday we saw how we can identify and confirm the presence of cations or positive ions in any salt mixture. This is there in the chapter chemical test in the inorganic section of the Edexcel textbook. Today we are going to see if we are not able to perform the flame test, what else we can do to identify and confirm the presence of positive ions in the salt. Let us see that. So instead of doing flame test, we can use the second method, and that is using dilute NaOH solution, which is readily available in any lab. You get NaOH very easily in any lab. So using NaOH solution, how you can confirm the presence of the cations present in the salt. Suppose a salt is given to you, you just have to mix that salt with water and make a solution of it. That can be called as the original solution or the salt solution. So you take that salt solution and you add dilute NaOH to it. Just this test is there. You take the salt solution and you add dilute NaOH solution to it. Take the salt solution, add NaOH. If you get blue precipitate, copper plus 2 ions are present. So simple. If in the salt solution you add dilute NaOH and you get green precipitate, faint green precipitate, then Fe plus 2 ions are present. If you take the salt solution, add dilute NaOH to it, and you get brown precipitate or you get orange brown precipitate, then Fe plus 3 ions are present. So simple. Lastly, if you take the salt solution and you add dilute NaOH to it, you do not get any precipitate. What to do? If you do not get any precipitate, you just have to check the smell of the gas. Please do not put the nose in the test tube. You just have to waft the smell. You have to waft the smell and you have to check it with a distance, right? So no precipitate. Check for the smell of ammonia gas. Now, if you have done this before, you might be knowing that ammonia gas has a very pungent smell, a very strong smell, and it is identified when ammonia gets evolved. It is identified in a flick of a second, so you get to know how ammonia is getting evolved, right? So you check the smell of the ammonia gas and you just have to reconfirm your test with a moist red litmus paper. Dip moist red litmus paper in the test tube, or you can just hold the moist red litmus paper at the mouth of the test tube where the gas is coming out, and you will see that the moist red litmus paper turns blue. Moist red, or you can also say damp red litmus paper. Damp red litmus turns blue. Why it turns blue? Because of the basic nature of ammonia. This is basic. Ammonia is basic in nature, and hence damp red litmus paper turns blue. That's all for today. Thank you so much.